Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top online poker VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your online poker sessions. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for online poker? They've got the essentials down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your account details and stakes stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get disconnected mid-hand with your IP exposed. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which poker rooms or tables you play on. But where they differ, that's what really matters for online poker. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for online poker because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites, which could be full of phishing scams or rigged poker offers, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you connect with friends for a super secure custom poker game lobby. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, phone, and tablet all at once. But PIA's biggest strength? Radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any techie poker player can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge. It's been put to the test. Then there's IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for any poker player struggling with laggy connections, it provides a SOX 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your game traffic for a potential edge. But just keep in mind, you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower ping. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for online poker? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less lag and smoother gameplay at the tables. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests showed its performance varies, with ping spikes depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Go with NordVPN if low ping is your top priority, you can't stand lag during online poker, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Choose IPVanish if you've got a ton of gadgets or a whole household of poker players. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused poker player who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for online poker. See you soon.